ultrasonic here, just heating up, 27 degrees, we'll target sort of 80. I don't know if that's good or what, but so we've got all of our carbies in here with all of our metal bits, and then we'll throw in a bit of degreaser. We'll just be using some of this heavy duty Simply Green to concentrate, so I'll just be putting a little bit in each of these Ziploc bags, and then the rest of this is just filled up with water, just so we don't have to use as much. So once she's all warmed up, I'll chuck them in. We have got all of our little pieces in the ultrasonic. It's probably going to be a little bit hard to see in there, but got them all fully submerged. We're just waiting for it to slowly get up to temp. 46 degrees, target's 80, so we'll probably give that another 10 minutes or so, and then we'll just start it, and it'll just keep working its way up in temp until we get to where we need to be. Apologies for the awful noise, but it's starting. Ultrasonic's all done. Sort of not the worst I've seen. They are goddamn hot, I'll give them that. So that's good. I'll give them all a bit of a rinse off.